So our time is up now, and the cookies are finished. Were smaller, are nicely browned. I'm going to put those on a rack to cool, and you'll notice that they come off of the pan very easily because the little butter wrapper did a very good job. These are artisan cookies, so each one is a little bit different. These cookies can be found at the Lantern Theater in downtown Philadelphia, a professional theater company where we feature these cookies as a specialty. They can be bought during intermission. And for the theater, I make very large ones. And you can make these in any size you like. But they need to cool first on a rack before you're ready to store them or to eat them. Because of the raisins in the cookies, they become very, very hot. So if you bite into them before they have a chance to cool a bit, you can burn your tongue or your mouth. So be careful that you do let them cool. Just a couple of minutes should take care of it. And then your pan can just be scraped clean, or it can be ready for the next batch of cookies that you're going to be doing today.